This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find a list of all of the keyboard shortcuts available to you in the Google Drive or Workspace set of apps. Using keyboard shortcuts can be very productive because it will allow you to do things, especially things that you do over and over again, by using a keyboard shortcut as opposed to going into the menu and selecting the things that you want to do. And to find that list of shortcuts in Google Workspace apps, what you need to do is go to Help and then click on Keyboard Shortcuts. And notice here, you can actually use a keyboard shortcut to open the list of keyboard shortcuts. On a Mac, it's going to be Command / and on Windows or Chrome OS, it's going to be Control /. When you click on this, this box will appear with a list of all of the keyboard shortcuts available in Google Docs. And you can actually search for keyboard shortcuts that you want. So let's say I want to know the shortcut for finding text in my document. Well, I can just type the word find and it will give me the keyboard shortcut for find, which on a Mac is Command F. You can do that same thing in Google Sheets and Google Slides, and I'm going to use the keyboard shortcut this time, which is Command / or Control /, and this box appears with all of the keyboard shortcuts that are available in Google Sheets. Here is what it looks like in Google Slides. So notice that you have keyboard shortcuts for moving the slide up, moving slide to the beginning, ungrouping pictures, grouping pictures together, and all of that. And if you want to see all of this in a website form, click on where it says View All in Help Center, and it will open up the Google support site where it will list all of the keyboard shortcuts for Google's apps. On this page, you can see the shortcuts for a computer, an Android, or an iPhone or iPad. And each of Google's apps has a separate page where they list all of the keyboard shortcuts, and they have it for PC and Mac and Chrome OS. So you can select your operating system and maybe print all of this out or find your favorites and memorize them and make them useful so that you are more productive. So this video shows you how to find a list of all of the keyboard shortcuts available to you in Google Workspace apps. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.